Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy and paste from an image. So let's start it. At first open your desktop. Now at first going to the any browser. Now I choose from Chrome browser. Now for click. Then search bar from. Now search from type Google Translate. Then click for Google Translate. Now go to the image option. Then click for browse your file. Then find your image. Then click for select from image. Now click for open option. Now you can see open from image. Now this image from and text from copy. Then click for a copy text. Now this text is the paste. Now going to the new tab. Then open the Google Docs. Now click for a blank document option. Now keyboard press from Ctrl V. That's it. Now you can see copy text from the paste of an image. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.